Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. In this video, we are going to see how Venus is going to help everybody who is looking for love on this Valentine's Day 2021. If you are someone looking for a relationship, want to convert your relationship into marriage this Valentine's Day 2021, then don't forget to watch this video till end because I'm going to show how you can achieve the love of your dreams. Traditionally, the Valentine's Day is celebrated on 14th of February all over the world. The day began to acknowledge the message from Saint Valentine's, and the message was love everyone, love your neighbors, love yourself, and love is the biggest strength all humans have. As the time passed, the basic message is still there. However, the businesses, the marketing, humans converted that day into Rose Day, Chocolates Day, bringing luxurious gifts for the love, those kind of days. Whatever the nature of Valentine's Day, the message still remains the same. People crave for relationships, people are looking to find the love of life on this day. Astrologically, Venus is considered the planet of relationships. Those of you who have Venus placed very well in the natal horoscope usually find good relationships. If by transit Venus is transiting through the favorable houses like 7th house, 10th house, maybe 4th house, 5th house, or your ascendant, then people do get into relationships around Valentine's Day. Venus is usually in the signs of either Capricorn, Aquarius, or Pisces, depending on how it is transiting in the month of February around Valentine's Day. This time, there are 5-6 planets conjunct in the sign of Capricorn along with Venus. So, on 14th of February 2021, this is how the Valentine's Day will look if you are looking at it from the perspective of an astrologer. Look at the sign Capricorn. You have owner Saturn present there. You also have Venus. You have Mercury. You have Jupiter in the same sign of Capricorn. And what does that indicate? It means you have to make more efforts. It means you have to have clear, honest mind when you approach your love of life. On 14th of February, Moon is transiting through the nakshatra of Uttarabhadra. Uttarabhadra is placed in the sign of Pisces. So, the Pisces owner Jupiter has a say in this. Venus being the planet of relationships, it is in the nakshatra of Shravana. And if you see those two things, Uttarabhadra is the nakshatra of Saturn. Shravan is in the sign of Capricorn owned by Saturn. And hence, this Valentine's Day is heavily influenced by planet Saturn. And when we think about Saturn, you must be thinking, looks like I have no chances this time. However, it is not like that. If you consider this relationship to be long term, if you consider this relationship something like responsible behavior, if you take the responsibility of love, then this is going to be great time for you. Follow the following tips so that you can get the love of your life. Bring traditional chocolates, sweets, red roses for your love. And this applies to both the partners. Take the gifts that signify Venus dominance, Venus traditions, and Venus significations. So buy a perfume, buy chocolates, buy traditional sweets, roses, luxurious items. Feel free to do that. However, remember one thing, you have to be honest in your intentions and take responsibility about that relationship. As long as you do this, this is going to be a favorable time for you. If you are thinking about asking someone out on this Valentine's Day, do the rehearsal 3 times before you step out of your home. Also watch the moon on that day. Before you step out of your house, also follow 3 minutes of silence and gather your courage, have clear intentions in mind, and go and propose to your love. Those of you who are looking for just the one night stand, be clear about it and don't deceive your partner. Hope this Valentine's Day brings the best moments of your life and you find the relationship that is cherishing, that is balancing, and that is inspiring to you. As they say, love is in the air. Have a good time and happy Valentine's Day to all of you. If you are looking for moon signs, the signs Leo, Aquarius, and Gemini, they will have to be more careful, make more efforts in terms of finding the love. All other signs would find it comparatively easy. Valentine's Day looks promising, but as long as you have good intentions and you are ready to take the responsibility of love. By knowing the placement of planets in the sign of Capricorn, those of you who are looking for a secret relationship, something that is not legal or something that is not approved by the society, take utmost care. You have to be very careful, otherwise there is a chance that the secret won't be any more secret and you don't want to get caught on the wrong side of the law. Hope you take all the care and try to look for ways that are simple, clean, and easy to follow. If you want to know more about astrology or if you want to know more about your relationships, send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel. Namaste, thank you, Shubhamastu.